Welcome to part 22 of the 1000 Verb Challenge. Let's get started. Pursue. Pursue. We pursue our dreams no matter how difficult they are. Reject. Reject. She will reject the offer because it's not fair. Expand. Expand. The company wants to expand its business to other countries. Implement. Implement. The school will implement new rules starting next month. Overcome. Overcome. He had to overcome his fear of heights to climb the mountain. Reflect. Reflect. The teacher asked the students to reflect on their work and think of ways to improve. Separate. Separate. Please separate the toys into 2 boxes. Demonstrate. Demonstrate. The coach will demonstrate how to kick the ball properly. Transform. Transform. The caterpillar will transform into a butterfly. Indicate. Indicate. The signs indicate where we should go. That's it for today's 10 verbs. Keep practicing, and make sure to subscribe for more in our 1000 Verb Challenge. See you in the next video.